Hello, hello, hello. Bro, what the fuck is this? Hydrating hand sanitizer infused with bergamot, sweet orange, cypress leaf, and vetiver essential oils. That's got to be some D-money shit right there. That right there, my friends. That is definitely some D-money shit right there. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that. What's good? It is what is it? It's Sunday fun day. We're live. We're here at the BDH, ready to party. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Happy Sunday afternoon. Happy Sunday fun day. It's been a while. I feel like I haven't done a live stream here at the BDH in a while, huh? Like, I don't remember the last time I was live on the YouTube at the BDH. It's a hot minute, one hot minute ago. But you know how that is. We come back bigger, better, stronger, longer, harder, faster, everything better. Also this weekend, me and Landon, we got it in this weekend, little bit of action, me and Landon over the weekend. We went fishing. Wasn't the best fishing, but you know, still a lot of fun being out there on the water with the boy. He got a little trophy. He got a little trophy there. Look at his little trophy. Boy got a little trophy. There's Landon. Shit. He got a little trophy. Excited for him. Love to see that. Love to see that. Look at him. He's so big. He's getting so big. That boy's growing up. He's growing up, chat. He's growing up. He's getting big. Getting real big. That was cool. So yeah, we went fishing. What else we do this weekend? I got a payout from Lucid. Got those payouts from Lucid hitting the bill, hitting the bank, bank. So yeah, weekend fun day, Sunday fun day. I thought I would pop on here for an hour or two at Sunday Open. You never know. Market might be wild. It might be crazy. It might also be nothing. That's also a possibility. What do you guys think? Up or down? How you feeling about your SQQ position? I mean, I'm not really feeling anything, to be honest. I mean, that's, to be honest, I don't really have a feeling about it. So, rip Oliver Tree? The fuck is Oliver Tree? Who the fuck is that? Well, looking here at the market over the weekend, looks like the weekend Wall Street is up right now. So, to be honest, I'm a little worried. I think basically if we start to get back above this area here, 30,000s, I might take off the short because this could go higher. That's just like possibility, unless, you know, we're kind of building out. Maybe we go a little higher and push up, but sometimes, you know, the madness just keeps on continuing. You would have thought that we would have broke down last week there, but obviously we did not. So we'll have to see what happens. Maybe one more pump, another pump to the upside before going lower. Maybe some sideways action. You can see, like, last year, you know, he kind of sold off, went sideways, and then made a big move finally. It takes a while sometimes to start moving back down, but I don't know, it's interesting. Will the market go lower from here? Will we go higher? This will definitely be an interesting week either way. We got a lot of stuff going on here at the BDH, actually. Yeah, no, actually, we got possibly a new streamer starting. Denny wants to be a streamer. That's what he's been saying. He says he can do it. So, you know, we're gonna see. No, I'll give him a chance. I'm gonna give him a chance, but you know, nothing's free around here. Nothing's free. So we got Denny. This will be I think we're gonna have him pop on a couple times this week, and then maybe see about doing a little test run 6 o'clock during the week. Have Denny live on YouTube. I told him go from like 6 to 10, 4 hours. So yeah, Denny's gonna start streaming with all of the accounts that he's won. You don't get it. Is he gonna do some of the Asia? Yeah, I mean, I think it really just depends on how long we can convince him to stream for. You know, I told him, I'm like, hey, the longer you stream, the more money you make. You know, someone goes, how is the Iran deal going? Well, you know, I've been talking to Iran every day, and to be honest, I'm just not getting very clear answers from Iran. That, you know, sometimes they're bullish, sometimes they're bearish, but nobody will tell me what is really going on. But we'll see what happens. We'll see. What'd you say, Nikolai? We ready for him? Is he ready for us? Ooh. Yeah, I don't know. Is Denny ready for... Is Denny ready? Denny doesn't know. Denny doesn't know. Denny really goes. Denny's gonna know. Man, I opened up like all of my Pokemon. I got like no Pokemon left to open. Got like none. Had the worst luck. Had the worst luck with opening boxes. I want to try one more today. I'm gonna open one more today. I'm opening one more today. I can't do it no more. Pokemon. We gotta get lucky at some point, right? We will be trading here. It's only 5:20. The market doesn't open up for obviously some time still. So once market opens up here, we'll see what happens. We got a lot of interesting news this week. We got Iran. We got SpaceX. Day 2 of SpaceX. SpaceX actually somehow just kind of holding on there. Holding on, the market holding it up. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, people. So, a lot of action in the markets, a lot of action at the BDH. It's a good time to be a BDH member, you know what I mean? Good time, good times, good times. So, we're gonna pop some cards here. Pokemon. What we got? We got which one first? Which one first? Which one first? We got any guesses? Any guesses? Somebody tell me. 1 through 9. Fourth one. All right, fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4. All right, number 4. We got 2 number 4s there. All right, I like that. That's a good number. Good number for us. Let's see what we got. It'll be interesting because I guess Iran or Trump, or I don't even know, they've had some drama over the weekend. Israel. Man, I think I just messed up and did it wrong again. That's not good. We got this card here, Sandy Shocks. Sandy Shocks. We'll put that to the side for now, see what it's worth later. What else we got here? Nothing really good. Bunary. Fluttermane. No bueno. All right. Number 4 was not a hit. Well, yeah, it's going to be interesting because Trump keeps saying that the Iran deal is going to get done. Iran keeps saying that the Iran deal is not going to get done. So it's kind of funny, right? It's constantly just kind of the back and forth. Nobody really knows. BDH with Asia, London, and New York. I'm trying, man. I need more people. I can't do it all. I can't do it all. All right, here we go. We got a Sneasel. We got a Hoot Hoot. Black Belt Festival Techno. Hachi Lolly 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 Lolly. Okie Dogie. Okie Dogie. Okie Dogie, no good. And then a bad Slowpoke. Man, man, oh man. I have not been hitting. I've not been hitting. Heading back to California, back to the West Coast on Thursday. Market's closed on Friday. At least the stock market is closed on Friday. So I'm going to fly back Thursday, and then we're going to Vegas next weekend. Taking Landon to Vegas. It's going to fly in the helicopter to Vegas and with Landon. I know, I'm crazy. We're going to go see like the Grand Canyon and other stuff as well. Not just, you know, not just Vegas. We'll be doing some fun stuff. All right, what we got? We got bronzer. We got fruit. Beep. Sparkling crystal. And then an iron boulder. Blah, 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 blah. No bueno, no bueno. Oh, that's kind of maybe something. So yeah, where should we go in Vegas? What's hot in Vegas right now? We're gonna be we're staying at the Wynn. I got the penthouse at the Wynn. Probably hit the pool. I think we're gonna go see Chris Angel, the magic show. That'll be fun for Landon. He's 13, turning 14 this summer. PW, are you coming to Mexico Mansion? Right now, I don't really have a lot of time, to be honest. Maybe gonna come to the, you know, maybe. All right, look in here. What do we got? We got him. Doo. Oh! I don't know if that's worth anything, but it looks cool. It looks cool. We'll see here in a second. I gotta send some cards to PSA to get graded soon. I got a bunch of cards that need to get graded. I actually have this Blastoise that I think is gonna be worth some money. I think, maybe. Trying to figure it out. Oh my lord. I'm trying to like keep these, even though the cards are like worthless right now, maybe just keep these boxes that are open for fucking the next 100 years. I don't know. Probably it'll be worth nothing, but who knows? People 20 years ago thought that there'd be no point in keeping them, you know. PW, you brought Jerome to the penthouse? Oh yeah, man. Jerome to the pen. I don't think Jerome's allowed at any casino in Vegas, actually. That's what I heard. I heard that Jerome was banned from all casinos in Vegas. Something about illegal betting. Uh-oh. I see something back there. I don't want to look at it yet. We got Slowpoke. We got Hippopotamus. We got Professor. We got the Sequeen. Oh, Glaceon. That's pretty looking. Little Glaceon. Pokemon. We got 4 more packs left. Can we get a banger? I don't even know what's in these packs to even get a banger, but we're gonna find out here. We still got plenty of time here till market opens up. Right now, the NASDAQ over the weekend looks like we're probably gonna open up with a little gap up. I think because of the Iran news. Maybe. We'll see. So, what do you guys think? Green week, red week? Green week or red week coming up here for the NASDAQ? I need your guys' advice. Should I be long or short? We got black belt training. We got Badood. We got Pupitar. We got Eevee. We got Seeking. We got Kirin. We got the Houndour. We got the Espeon. Ooh, another one. Another kitty cat. A couple kitty cats coming out of this one. Couple kitty cats. Couple of them. Still trying to figure out, what do you guys think? Anybody got the spot? PW, are you watching the World Cup? Nope, not watching the World Cup. Have I updated my contracts yet? I don't think so. 29,677. Still trading the June contracts, right? There's not enough. The volume still is not. There's not more volume on the September yet, so. PW, try to go to the top of the world restaurant at the Stratosphere. Time it with the fireworks going off. Your son would love it. That's a good idea. I like that. It's a good idea. That's a good idea. I appreciate that. That's a good little lookout. Good looking out. Good looking out. We only got a couple nights, and we're gonna be there in the helicopter as well. So we're gonna be seeing top of the world either way. You know what I mean? So we'll see. We got Badu. We got Spiritsy. We've got Roto Stick, Cottonese, Techno, Bronzy, Dunzy, Seeking, and Ratfort. Oh, full art trainer. What's that gonna be worth? Hopefully something. Hopefully something. Is it not time to switch? Kelly Kaufman. I mean, we're gonna switch whenever the volume tells me to switch, my friend. I don't really have a preference. I just trade whatever has the more has more volume. You know what I mean? So that's the way I'm looking at it. That's the way I'm looking at it, son. PW, you have a kid? Oh, buddy. I had sex one time, popped the kid out. Crazy, I know. Target is 30,800 this week. Oh my Lord, that's not good for me. I need to go down, not up. Down, not up. Explorer's Guidance. Monkey Kidori. Man. Terrible. Terrible. All right, last one. Last pack. Last chance to make some money here. Last chance to make some money. Last pack. Last pack luck. Last pack luck. Professor Letio Dracula, the Earthen Vessel, Heat Rain again. Dew Skull, Arc Keyludin. Nope. Man, we got cooked. Absolutely cooked. Hopefully I can make some money in this market when it opens, because I don't want to be cooked anymore, chat. I don't want to be cooked anymore. Hopefully. I don't want to be cooked. Please. No cookie for me. No cookie. Like I said, the over the weekend looks like we're gonna gap up here a little bit. We'll see what happens once the market actually opens, obviously. So just trying to be patient. Well, maybe not patient. I mean, the market's not open, so it's kind of just chilling right now. It's 5:30. Kind of answer some questions. If you got some questions you want to know, Patrick, tell me the secrets. Tell me the secrets, Patrick. I said, well, sir, I'd tell you the secrets if I knew them, but I don't know them, if you know what I mean. But Friday, obviously, was the big day with SpaceX. Oh, no. Fuck. I just closed. God damn it. Just close that out for no reason. That was retarded. So, yeah, Friday was SpaceX. That was the big talk of the town. Every retail investor on this planet was looking at SpaceX. I don't know how many people messaged me and said, should I buy SpaceX? I'm like, I don't know, man. It sold off all the way down to 158 before close, and then after hours pumped again. So pretty typical bullshit. Pumping back up there to the 166s now. We'll see what happens tomorrow morning. Monday morning, a lot of news out there right now with Japan interest rates, and they're talking about cutting and how that could cause global pandemonium. I don't know, man. I just do what they tell me to do. I don't even know what I'm doing here. I just buy. Oh my! I just get long, get short, get long, get short. Close my eyes and hope and pray. People always be like, Patrick, how do you know it was gonna go up? I said, shit! I don't know nothing. I don't know nothing, sir. But that's just how it is. Sometimes you get lucky in life. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. And today we did not get lucky on these Pokemon cards. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that. We got so much stuff going on right now with the BDH. I'm excited, man. Got some really awesome stuff coming up here. The next few months, the next few years, basically. I mean, forever. Big stuff popping, not just for trading as well, for other stuff as well. Working on some other businesses, working on just kind of diversifying, you know, trying to diversify outside, obviously, of just the trading world, right? I wanna be the best, you know, that I can be, right? I want to be the best. He's the best that he could be. So, gotta leave it. I gotta build an empire, and I don't know if day trading on YouTube is the way to do that. Well, I mean, it make money, but you know, it's just hard. It's hard. So we'll see. I'm trying to diversify. Trying to get them investments. Trying to make a little bit of money. You know what I mean? Just everybody needs a little bit of investments. All right, let's see what our total haul is on these cards that we got from that pack. Do a little haul check. La la la. So yeah, kind of recapping what my thesis is here. I think if we start to close back above 30,000, well, if tomorrow, I mean Monday, whatever, if we start to push and all that, then yeah, I think the market's gonna go higher from here. That's as stupid as it sounds. Yeah, maybe there's one more big pump before the dump, you know. I don't know. There's just no reality anymore, so don't try to be that guy. Don't try to pick the top. Hell yeah, rate for it. $10, not worthless. Absolutely worthless. 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 That's beyond. Come on, let's try to get something here. God damn, there ain't shit. Ain't absolute shit. God damn it. Think we're going to the moon or what, chat? What would be your... Where are we going? Up or down this week? Up or down? Man, oh man. Absolutely cooked on the Pokemon. Cheap. I'm absolutely cooked. Jigglypuff. All right, we're just waiting for the market to open up here. Still plenty of time. Don't go chasing waterfalls. This market is primed and it is ready. We got about another 20 minutes here until the actual open. But, you know, overall, kind of push back up. Strong push back up. Inverse head and shoulders type of setup here, right? You had the dip, the higher low, the pump on Friday. Well, pump on Thursday, and then Friday we held those highs. So if we break back above 29,800, well, then you kind of get the cup and handle move, right? So to the moon, to the wall, to the balls, to the drip drop, something like that. Something like that, they say. Something like that. No, I don't know exactly the words of that song. You say. We trading the current contract? Yeah, still trading June contract. Still trading the June contract. That's right. Strong long. Deal with Iran is done. Oh man. Oh man. Deal is done, they said. It's done. Who said that? I'm seeing different reports. Different reports. I'm seeing different reports here. According to CNN. Oh man. Deal not done. Deal not done. Well, I think it's pretty clear to see where, you know, the next resistance is here on the NASDAQ. 29,850 area. That was that high, right? From Tuesday, last week's high. So that'll be resistance. We've obviously got support, kind of that double bottom there, which was that previous kind of area of resistance as well that we pushed through. You got the inverse head and shoulder play. Made that higher low, lower, almost like a little bit lower, but didn't even do it. So maybe this was the one of those moves. But either way, kind of V'ing off those bottoms multiple times. Not good for the bears. Yeah, looks like Fox News. Oh man, get ready for the pump. All in long. NASDAQ. Fucking A. You watching the UFC tonight? Is that tonight or is that last night? NQ bid at 29,950? No fucking way. God. Is it really? Where'd you see that? What the no fucking way. No fucking way. My lord. I can't even scroll up there fast enough on level 2 to even look. Mr. Breakout said, "You're my inspiration." I'm his inspiration. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. What a time to be alive. I'm someone's inspiration. That is scary. That is scary. Oh. You ever like open a can and not look at the label and then start drinking and then get a totally different taste in your mouth and you're like, what was that? What was that? Are we gonna pump or are we gonna dump? It's anybody's question. We got all the charts, we got all the information, we got all the time. We're doing it live. It's the Sunday Open. It's the Sunday Open. We're doing it live. Sunday, fun day. We got a fucking rocket ship behind us, heading straight to the sun. Shoo! That's gonna be me at the Baja 400, just shoo! Flying by everybody, flying. BBC just posted the deal is done. Man, oh man, what a time to be alive. Be interesting to see if we shoot up at open. I mean, if there's any validity to the idea that the deal is done, I would bet that we'll probably shoot up. We will probably shoot up. If the deal's done, we're gonna be shooting to the goddamn moon, man. Oh man. Let the oil flow. I thought that I thought the conflict was over like a while ago. Now the conflict's officially over. Someone said, I didn't know you do Sunday Open. Well, I don't normally do Sunday Open, but you know what? I do it for you, baby. I do it for you. I'm just out here trying to do it for you. I'm doing it well. Oh man, got some big meetings this week. At the BDH. Got some people coming into town. We're gonna be talking business, trying to figure out how I can become a billionaire. That's right, a billionaire. I mean, being a millionaire is cool, but you know what would be even cooler? Being a billionaire. You know? Kelly Coffin says, seems like the war is over every fucking day. You're not wrong. It does seem like that. Every other day. Billionaire is not enough. Aim for trillionaire. Okay, I'm gonna be a trillionaire. Bro, give me $50,000. I'll leave trading for my life. What? What? You want $50,000 to leave trading? That seems like a bad. How about I give you $50,000, you come work for me for life? You know what I mean? Come work for me for life. Goddamn commercials on this fucking YouTube. Goddamn commercials back there. PW, have you heard anything on the Apex Live program? I have not heard anything other than what you've heard, to be honest. Just being honest. They don't like give me top secret information. Just if I had the info, I would tell you, but no, they haven't told me, to be honest. Why don't you buy YouTube Premium? I have YouTube Premium, it's just not on that TV. I gotta log in with it. You becoming a billionaire would be hilarious. Well, I mean, nobody thought that I would ever be a millionaire, you know? So I'm a millionaire now. So I mean, I don't think it's, you know, too hard to make it to $1 billion. You know, that's the way I look at it. That's the way that I look at it, if you know what I mean. Right now, kind of looking here at the NASDAQ, supposedly there's news with Trump, blah, 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 blah. Will we pump? Will we dump? I see a big sell order at 29,679. Does anybody else see that? There's 100 contracts on the ask right now at 29,679. Interesting. Your opinions about SpaceX? I don't really have any opinions about SpaceX. I mean, I think that they're grossly overvalued. The problem is, you know, can it go up forever? Maybe. Maybe, I don't know. You know, this market, this world that we live in, it's just one big fucking scam. Just one big old scam, man. Somebody said 100 million is more realistic. Fuck that. I can make $1 billion. I'm already making like 15 million a year. So making 100 million, that ain't doing much. Making $1 billion, now that is something. Good evening, baby girl. Who the fuck is baby girl, Chevy? What the fuck? What in the fuck? What in the absolute fuck are you talking about? If the war is really over, then we're going to 40K. I mean, maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. It seems like the market doesn't really care about the war. Have you seen the helicopter crash about Oliver Tree? I haven't seen this yet. People keep talking about Oliver Tree. I don't even know who Oliver Tree is. Oliver Tree among 6 killed in a fiery crash involving 2 helicopters while on tour. Shoo. 2 helicopters collided on June 14th. Damn. Damn. Yeah, it's fucked up. Trying to see what kind of helicopter it is. Fuck. That's fucked up. Ugh. What's all the talk about 100 million? All the talk is we trying to make 100 million. You got 100 million? You want to make 100 million? Come on, man. Let's make 100 million. 100 million. 100 million. 100 million. We got 7 minutes here till market opens. Supposedly, Trump has reached a deal with Iran. Supposedly. You know, don't quote me. Don't quote me, because I mean, who knows? Ain't nobody knows. We're gonna find out either way, though. We're doing it live. It's Sunday afternoon, Sunday fun day, BDH style. We got stuff popping off. I'm back at the BDH, baby. You know when I'm back at the BDH that there's shit going down, right? I mean, let's be honest. When the boss man comes back from vacation, you know that there's gonna be some shit going down. So we'll see what happens. It does look like right now we're gonna be opening up with a big gap up. Right? That's what it looks like. I mean, right now it's like, fuck. I mean, what the fuck? I don't know. The 100 sell orders are gone now. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Either way, basically the plan is, I think at open, this looks like it kind of bull flagged, right? Kind of a bull flag there on Friday. So I think basically if it pushes, your next target's gonna be up here, 29,850 area, maybe a little bit more. And then fucking 30,000 tomorrow. Today, we'll see how much the pump is, but God, it sucks. Like, why? Why? I'm so cooked. I am so cooked, chat. I'm well done. I should have taken my... I should have taken the profit on the short. I was up like 50K, $50,000. I got greedy. I wanted to post the fucking, you know, $200,000 profit. Not it, man. Just not it. Got a little matrix action going into open here. We gotta decipher the matrix, man. We gotta see what we gotta see the market moves. We need the market to move. Oh man, oh man. All right, what do you think, chat? Up or down at open? Up or down? How long am I gonna stream tonight? Hopefully not that long, because I gotta stream tomorrow as well. So I'll be back tomorrow morning live tomorrow morning. Monday, mega money Mondays. We got 1,300 people watching. What's good in the hood, my friends? If you guys have not hit that like button, let's get 500 likes here on the stream. Can we get 500 likes on the stream? Come on, chat. It ain't rocket science. It ain't rocket science. You hit the like button, and then kaboom! Boner candles from heaven. We'll see what happens. Up or down. Up or down. Market set up for a bull flag there on Friday, so breakout imminent. Explosion to the upside. Straight to the moon. Straight to the moon. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be crazy. I'm thinking I just gotta get long. Just get long at open. YOLO. Let it ride. On the market only goes higher, right? Only goes higher. Bid is at 30,000. Oh my God, 30. Oh, I'm so fucked. Bid is going to the moon right now. Boner candle. Boner. Little Marie back in the house. What up, Little Marie? Tell us, where's the market gonna go? Where's your target? What's your entry? What's your exit? It's time. Count it down. We got 2 minutes here. Go ahead and let's spend 10 seconds. A little memorial for all the evals who are gonna lose their lives today. We're gonna send these little evals right off into war. We're gonna send them into war at open, and we're gonna hope they come back alive. But you know how it is, making money. It's tough. God. We got someone said entry at 795, exit at 28,700. What? Sure, what? You're gonna get long at 795 and then you're gonna get out at 28,700? So you're risking 1,000 points? You're gonna lose 1,000 points? Oh man. We got less than a minute here till market opens. I might just try the old get long and close your eyes trick. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Just get long and close your eyes, chat. Let's see. Let's see. Little Marie thinks we're going to 650 and then we're going to bounce. Ooh. All right, let's see. Well, straight up. Broke it. It's still going straight up. 30,000 now. Market's broken. I'm gonna try to get a short here. Either it's gonna pump or it's gonna dump. Oh, it's gonna pump. I'm fucked. Straight up. Cooked. And we're out. What the fuck? Absolutely murdered. Why would you short, bro? What the fuck? I don't know. I thought it was gonna go down. I thought 30,000 was gonna be the top. Clearly it wasn't. All right, I don't know, man. I don't know sometimes. Bad trade that was. All right, now we try the long. We get the pump, boys. You can't lose. You can't lose. On the pump. Oh, God. Never mind. Getting murdered here. The murder fest. God, how much is that? A pump up? 1%? Now it's going to pull back. Straight back down 30,000s. Trying to add right here. I told you what it was going to do. You just FOMO'd that trade. What the fuck are you talking about, bitch? Don't you worry about me. Maybe it goes up. Maybe it goes down. I don't know, man. Right now, 30,050. Can we still push? Trouble. It's the music, bro. No, not the music. Market's coming back down here now. If we break this candle low, I'm gonna jump out. That's pretty far down there though, but let's see. Need to hold this 30,000 level, try to push up some more. Try to push up some more. Bearish music. Hopefully not. The spread right now is killer. No pop. Watching 30,000s. I might have to jump out here. God, it's all over the place. I'm jumping out. Does not look good here for the longs again. God. All right, give it a second. Give it a second. 5-minute chart. Obviously, big pump up here so far. Now it's gonna dump. I tried to get short and then it popped 40 points and then now it's gonna dump. Holding on there at the 30,000s. for now. I think if it can't get back above 30,000 quick, it's gonna dump. So the bulls need to pump. Back above 30,000 again. Will they push? Back above 30,000 again, pushing. Got the ES pushing up. Got NASDAQ pushing up here. What a move. Straight to the moon now. Pushed up there so far, 30,080. Shoo! You had that little like breakout, little whatever you call it, fucking gap and go bull flag there. Daily chart now. This is crazy. God. Next resistance is really not till like 30,200 maybe, or it's kind of pushing up to this previous low area, 90s now, so maybe 30,100 next. Still trying to push. This is the 2-minute chart right now. 1-minute candle still kind of grinding higher. Trying to push through 30,100 next. Got the VWAP there, 30,012s. I'm still on the June contracts. Still on June contracts, guys. Bro, do you trade gold? No. Guy in the chat asking if I trade gold. No, we trade NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ, sir. NASDAQ. All right, having some trouble pushing through that top for now. This is all because of Iran news. Iran, you ran, who ran? We all ran to Iran. And the market went to the moon. AI data centers love Iran. Bullshit. Technology of moons. Well, I mean, if the market's a moon and SpaceX is a rocket, it just makes sense, man. PW, what's up, my brother? We're here. We're doing it live. We're watching it. Right now, NASDAQ still going higher. 30,100. Looks like it wants to get popped. Oh, man. Will we push 30,100 there? Looks like it. Looks like it. Why don't you trade New York? What? Why don't I trade New York? I do trade New York. Why don't you trade New York? What are you talking about? People sometimes ask these questions in the chat. Crazy questions. All right, we're trying to get this push through. I am long, trying to get a push through this 100 area. I don't know if we're gonna get it. Just stuck for now. I sold a little bit there. If your chart says a different price, it doesn't matter. It's the same shit. You're just trading a different contract. Don't worry about the numbers, man. Don't worry about the numbers, man. Just go long. Just go long. All right, I have my stop at break even right there. Kind of running out a little bit of steam here. If this candle starts to push up, I'll move my stop to like the 70s next. Yeah, it's just kind of stuck there now. So I'm just gonna kind of put my stop up here into this area, just in case it starts rolling over here. If it's gonna pop, it should just start going. But if it starts to roll over here, no reason to give back profit. These are Lucid funded accounts right here. Lucid funded accounts. Stop is imminent. All right, stopped out there. We're up 3,000 in these accounts now. These, like I said, the funded accounts here with Lucid. So I will just let those ones go. I'm gonna lock out so that way I don't keep trading. We just got a $10,000 payout out of these accounts. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock out of those accounts. Done with those. These are just random evals that I still have stacked up there. Now that I got, look at that, I got stopped out and then it pushes right back up. We'll see if it's gonna go through that 30,100 area there next. If you see on my Twitter, I posted up Lucid. We got that payout. It's already approved and in my bank account. I submitted it on Friday and it's in my bank account on Friday. So $10,000 from Lucid paid. And we just made another $3,000 per account. So bang, bang, bang. Got to keep the party going. Market went straight to the moon, though, there at open. What a time to be alive. Straight to the moon. Right now, kind of stuck up here below 30,100. Maybe it's going to, you know, kind of hold up there for a little bit and then go higher. You can see in my Lucid accounts right now, since last Tuesday, 2,000, 3,000, 6,000, 4,000, 3,000. So we'll try to bang out another couple thousands here and get closer and closer. I want to get these live accounts set up with Lucid, so I can try to run up some numbers here. I need to run up some numbers, chat. I want to run some numbers. That's what I want to do. Y'all know what I mean? Just trying to run some numbers, man. Right now, NASDAQ is pulling back here a little bit more pullback. That's kind of, I wouldn't say normal, but kind of what it does after a big pop like that, right? Right now, just kind of holding above this 30,000 area for now, so. Holding for now. Gotta see if they're gonna be able to put a higher low in here. This 5-minute candle maybe pull back below 30,000 again. Market up about a fucking gapped up like 400 points so far. All on the news of Iran deal being done, which who in the fuck cares? Like, who even cares? You know, I'm like, the Iran, why are we so worried? Why does the market care about what Iran's doing? You know, why we care about it? Crazy work. This is what Trump posted. Congratulations to all. I hereby fully authorize the toll-free opening of the Strait of Hormuz, and simultaneously herewith authorize the immediate removal of the United States naval blockade. Ships of the world, start your engines. Ships of the world. Oh, man. Both sides have declared the immediate and permanent termination of military operations on all fronts. Iran news announces that an official statement from the Supreme National Security Council will be published in a few minutes. So I guess it's done. I guess it's done, man. Fucking hey, look, looks like the market pumping again. NASDAQ here, 5-minute candle kind of put in that higher low down there. All right. Now what happens? Do we go for new highs? New highs? Bye-bye, new highs. You like to party with the new high party? Looking here, we're back above that 3060 area. We got a bit of a spread. I'm gonna try to long here, try to add into this if we pull back some more. There is a bit of a spread, but I like that 5-minute candle right now. Big push back up, big wick. Well, I think we can go for 30,100 next, right? Anybody agree with me? Does anybody agree with me? Tell me you agree with me. Somebody tell me. There's got to be somebody in this chat who agrees with me. Trading on Sunday open is degen. I mean, we just having some fun, man. I don't know. Is it wrong to have fun? Is it not nice to have fun? Is it not nice? I'm just having a little bit of fun. That's all. We just having a little bit of fun, man. Man. These haters gonna hate. Players gonna play. Dumb money fade. Bro, like, again, you're watching my YouTube channel, dude. You're here watching me, so, I mean... Is your life that fucking bad? That you got nothing else to do? I mean... There's gotta be something else that you could be watching right now and not watching me. You know, I mean, just, you gotta be something. There's gotta be, like, something out there that you're like, man, I can do anything but watch this guy. You know, I mean, come on. Come on, man. You just joined to tell me. Thanks, man. It's all good. Thanks for your support. Your views. Hey, what the haters don't understand is that even the YouTube don't care. The YouTube don't care if you're a hater, because the view counts the same. The view counts the same. You know what I mean? Like, it don't matter. You could be a hater all you want, but your view still counts. So, thank you, you know, for your support, sir, on a Sunday. We got almost 2,000 people watching. We got 443 likes. We're long on the NASDAQ right now. Trump said, start your fucking engines. This shit's going to the moon. God damn it. God damn it, boys. Still pumping. One leg doesn't go up. Not good. What? Talking about Willis. Market only goes higher, chat. It's programmed. It's fucking programmed. Tomorrow's gonna suck. Big gap up like this, you know what that means. Gonna get a lot of stupid chop. Gonna get a lot of chop tomorrow. I can already taste it. Get this pop through the hundreds. Let's get it. You can see I like the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart looks good. Nice wick off that last 5-minute candle, pulled back. We are pushing up there towards 30,100. It's Sunday night. It's Sunday fun day. And we're trying to make a little bit of money here at the BDH. If you're a first-time viewer, welcome. Welcome. We live stream every day, 9 o'clock in the morning. till possibly 10 o'clock at night. We got a new streamer coming in this week, Denny. Denny's gonna be streaming live at the BDH. He's trying out. He's trying out for the BDH. We're gonna let him see what he's all about. Can Denny be the new D Money? We got Little Grand Slam Denny coming to the BDH. When does that start? Possibly this week. This week, actually. Little Denny. A little Denny. Denny from the Philippines? No, Denny from Disney World. All right, a little bit of chop up here so far. A little bit of chop. I'm gonna try to add right here just to see if we're gonna push through here now. Kind of don't want it back below, I'd say the middle of this candle low. Yeah. No bueno. We were up from 68 to 94. I mean, that's 30 points. All right, I don't want to hear nobody complaining. Wow, look at that dip right to my fucking stop loss. Did not get hit somehow. Wow. You guys are watching. This is real entertainment right now. Real entertainment, chat. Real fucking entertainment here. God. Oh my Lord, look at that. That is quite remarkable. Sometimes you get lucky in life, chat. Sometimes. Sometimes. Oh God, coming back down. I had to jinx it. I jinxed it. It's my fault, my fault. I'm gonna put these stops like down here. And I'm gonna try to like add possibly into this area here. You did jinx it. Yeah, I know. Fuck. You got 2.5 minutes here on this 5-minute candle. Trouble. This is looking bad. This is looking bad for me. I'm trying to add right here. See if they're gonna pop it back. Get back above 60s here quickly. I'm watching these 5-minute candles. We wicked really hard there earlier off this level, so. No. Need to get back above 60 here. Someone said, "Why am I chasing the trend?" I don't think I'm chasing the trend. I'm just trading, man. Just trading, man, that's all. We already locked in beautiful profit here in my Lucid account. So we got $3,000 times 5 accounts. We're locked out with trade of 8. Don't really need to make anything more than that, to be honest. So happy with that. And then now it's just playing around, basically. Entertainment purposes only. All right, so I mean, if we can push, like I said, that 5-minute candle, right? I don't know for sure if it's gonna push, but I'm just looking at these 5-minute candles. We had a wick trying to push, and I'm thinking that maybe we take out this 30,100 level, you know. But again, like I can't predict the future. All I can do is just kind of talk about what I'm seeing right now in the moment, and that's all I'm seeing. So. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Right now, obviously, could be some trouble here If we start to get back below like 45, 50, yeah, probably not good, right? So. Am I excited for UFC 250? I mean, not really. I don't really, yeah, not really like any, like, I'm not like excited for it, to be honest. Yeah, trouble here. You can see just kind of stuck here now. It's either gonna start plummeting back down or get going, so. Did you bet on the Knicks, PW? No. I saw your grandma today. She's goated. She's pretty cool. Nana. That fine line in the sand here, my blue line of death. Can we get back above the blue line of death? The whole entire market is stuck on that blue line now. Can she pump one more time? Just for me, chat. Just for me. PW, when do you start preparing for the Baja 400? Baja 400 is in September, so got a little bit of time. Little bit of time. Patrick, add more. It's going up. I mean, I think we got enough. We got 15 contracts. We got enough for now. It's kind of stuck here now. Not really moving. PW, it's going to go to 30,000, 290. Okay. I like the sound of that. Because if it's going to 30,290, that means it's going to go to 30,100 first. So, yeah, I like that. She kind of just stuck here now. Not looking hot. I'm going to jump out for now, I think. Let it make up its mind. No reason to sit there and let it come all the way down there to stop me out. I think it could start kind of selling back down here now. Right? Like if we start to get back below 30,000, 30,030 here, it could start to move back down. We do have that big gap. So. Just stuck for now. I think if we start to go through 30, I'll sell. I'll try a short. I'm just gonna try to see if I get filled there at the 40s. There's just so much spread right now. All right, we're filled there at the 40s. The fact that we got like denied there twice at the 70s, obviously not good for the bulls. But we'll see if that's just going to be chop and we're going to go higher. Could try to target like all the way back down to like 970s or more, maybe even deeper. Oil's moving back up after selling off. There's 20 points. There's 30 points. Let's see if we get through 30,000 now. Your screen doesn't reflect what the actual price is for NQ. It does. You're just on newer contracts or on the other contracts. These are June contracts. God damn it. The chop. There it is, straight back up. Sunday fun day here. I mean, at this point, like, I just don't want it back above, like, 50s here again. Switch to the 5-minute. I'm looking at the 5-minute right now, actually. I see it. I see it. I can see it right here. This is the 5-minute chart. I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it, buddy boy. It is holding up there for now. Fade me. Yes, fade PW. Do it. Fade me. Please. Patrick, you're on the wrong contract. Hey, everybody, stop worrying about what contract and just shut the fuck up. It doesn't matter. I'm not on the wrong contract. I'm on whatever contract I want to be on. People arguing in the chat. You're on the wrong contract. Okay. Why do you care what I'm on? How does me trading the June contract have anything to do with how you're trading? I won't change the contracts until there's more volume on one contract than the other. It's not like, if you look here, it's a very simple way to see it. Very simple. Fucking A. I thought it was simple. You can see right now and compare, right? Let's go to NASDAQ minis. The volume is like exactly the same. There's still more volume on the June contract. So probably in the morning I'll switch over. But right now the volume is there's still a little bit more volume on the June contract. But tomorrow I'll probably switch over to September. That's it. That's all I got. Thank you very much. All right, so we're holding up now. Bear at the 30,040 area. I don't love that we didn't really kind of sell there, but is what it is. Go all in long because the chat said they're fading me. So if they're fading me, that means they got to go short right now. And I just tricked them. See? Big brain. Big brain, boys. What up now, boys? Are you fading me now? Who's fading who now? See? Tricks on them. What are they gonna do? I was just short and now I'm long. Oh my God. Now what are they gonna do? And it pulled back. See? They won't even know what to do right now. The madness is the madness. Look, see? They said, Patrick, we're gonna fade you. And look, they don't know what to do. Because I got long, but then it went down again. So I fucked them good. I got them real fucking good. Ha ha! You idiots. Now what are you gonna do? Now what are you gonna do? You don't even know what to do. Look at that. You motherfucking idiots. Got him. Got him. Oh man. You fucking retards. He said fade. I make money by fading Wieland, he said. Damn, Brian. Brian, how did that work out for you? I was short, you went long, I got long, it went down. Oh my, what happened, Brian? Brian, what did you do? Brian, what did you do? Brian. God, you fucking idiot. That's fucked up, Patrick. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. All right, right back up again. You gotta love that too. Even better. Even better, okay? Even better. Just relax, everybody. Everybody relax. Right back up again. The fade is real. The fade is real. The funny thing is, I love when people be like, man, I just fade you, pal. I'm like, that's fine. I'm still rich. You know, like I'm still, no matter what, even, you know what I mean? No matter what, I'm driving home today in a Rolls Royce. You know, no problem. I'm chilling. There ain't no sweat off my back. I'm chilling. You watching me. It's Sunday and you're watching me on YouTube. You know, like I'm okay no matter what. I'm be chilling. Because it don't matter, like, what's it matter? I'm chilling. I'm absolutely chilling right here. Look, and then I can just reset my accounts and get more. Because I'm that rich. I got 200,000 on my rich. I'm that rich. On my rich. All right, we're gonna try a long here. These 5-minute candles just keep going up. Guys, this, hey, like I said, you know, it goes up, it goes down. I don't fucking know, man. What do you want me to do? Predict the future? I can't predict the fucking future. I can't predict it. I don't fucking know. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes. What do you want me to do? I know, you know, it's like, what do you want me to do? I can't, what do you want me to do, people? I mean, it's like, what do you want from me? What do you want? Look. I make money I make the money at the open, and now I lock my account. And hey, 5 times 3. That's like 15. I made 15,000, and then I locked out my account. All right, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? You know what I mean? It's like, what do you want me to do? I don't know what you want me to do. I mean, look at this. I get the payouts. Okay, I'd be okay. Goddamn, pulling back again. Just can't catch a break here. Gonna grab another long here. Or maybe. My computer broken. Oh yeah, no, we're broke. Oh God. No can't add. They rejected my order. He said no more for you, sir. What the fuck? Come on, Trade-A-Bait. I try to buy. They don't let me buy no more. I'm gonna have like 20 contracts now. Oh man. I'm locked out while I'm in a trade. I don't know. Can't do anything here. Just keep pressing buy. It'll work, right? All right, well, NASDAQ chopping back down here. It's gonna be painful either way. We were short, we went long, we went short, we went long. And somehow I can't add anymore. Something is very, very wrong. Why will it not let me add? Just won't let me add. Got me banned. I got banned. Y'all got me banned. Oh, now I can add. We're back. All you do is refresh it. Just a little quick refresh. Good to go. When in doubt, refresh. All right, guys, this is not, I'm just trading evals. We're just having a little bit of fun. As you can see there, full transparency. I'm terrible at day trading. I don't know why you would ever watch this YouTube channel. If I was you right now, I would hit the X button. Quick, quick, quick. Just kidding. I'm the best there ever was. But unlike your guru, I show you the trades. Ross made 142,000 on Thursday and 84 on Friday. Damn, Daniel, are you gonna suck Ross's dick? Is that are you gonna suck his dick? Daniel, what are you gonna suck Ross's dick? Patrick, Ross made 142,000 on Thursday. He made 142 and he made 86. Daniel, are you gonna suck his dick? I'm just wondering, what are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do with that information? Because you're sharing it with everybody. What are you gonna do with it? You know, I don't get it. I don't get it. I'm not sitting here talking about Ross. I'm not talking about nobody. I'm just sitting here just minding my own business. I'm just having a good old time. You know? What do you want me to do? You know what I mean? Like, what do you want me to do? They're never happy, no matter what. Daniel said, it's amazing money. I mean, again, are you going to suck his dick? What is that? What does that affect you? You know what I mean? Like, what does it do for you? Crazy. People just be crazy out here. Patrick, on a serious note, volume for the U contract is substantially higher. Okay, is it though? You said substantially. How is it substantially higher? How? How is it substantially? I'm confused. Explain to me how, what does substantial mean? You know what I mean? What is substantial? They look pretty much the same right now. I can refresh it again, maybe, if that's... Here, I'll refresh it again. Nope. That's weird. Still no substantial dips. No substantial difference here. Are you in Cali or Put? What the fuck is Put? I'm at your mom's house. Wherever the fuck she lives at. Hey Pat, will you attend the World Cup? Nah, I'm not really like that. I'm not that big into football, soccer, whatever you want to call it. I just don't really enjoy watching guys running around chasing balls. Nothing against it, you know, if you're into that kind of stuff. Nothing against it, totally cool. I'm just like, I'm more of like a, you know, go fast, drive trophy trucks, you know, hit big jumps, go over mountains, you know, that kind of stuff. But when it comes to just going and sitting in a stadium and watching dudes run around with chasing balls, just, I'm not really into it. You know, I get it that it's cool, you know, like national pride. I'm all for it. You know, like which country is the best at playing with balls? You know, everybody wants that title. We're the #1 ball player. Nobody fucking kicks a ball better than me. You should see me with those balls. I can run after balls faster than anybody. You know? It's not based. It's the truth. It's the truth. You know? just balls. You don't like burning cars and destroying shit? Nah, well, normally after I get done chasing balls around, I'm pretty tired, to be honest. You know, I kind of need to smoke a cigarette, relax, maybe have a little after cap, you know, a little downer after I'm so high, you know, with all those balls around me. Leonardo, that is substantial. The balls or the volume? Very good question is, where is D-Money? I don't know, man. Do I look like D-Money's daddy? Do I look like I know where he is at all times? No, I don't. We're long and we are strong. Trying to get a push up here on the NASDAQ. Trying to go over that. I think 30,100 is programmed. I called the market makers. I said, hey. I said, hey. Tokyo goes, actually you do. Actually what? No balls? Nah, D-Money, he turned off his location. He turned off his location. Is it going up or is it going down? No one will ever know. Hey, Patrick, I bought yesterday. I'm up 400 points. You bought on Saturday? You got long on Saturday? What broker sells on Saturday, bro? What are you talking about? Why are you lying? Oh, now sorry Friday. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, whatever. Bought on the Nigerian exchange. True that. Can we get the pump? I just want to get to like, you know, above the 100 area here is my targets. Do you have any physical gold? I actually do. Yeah, no, I actually do. It's, yeah. I got Pokemon cards. Does that count as gold? It's basically gold. I got gold in Pokemon cards, if you know what I mean. Getting real tight here, 30,060. Can we push through these highs? The $1 million question. $7 o'clock push coming up, maybe. It does look good, 30,000. We kind of held 30,000 pushing up here now. So the high so far, 30,094. What a crazy move today. We had news coming out with Iran. Iran supposedly has confirmed that they will be signing the deal. Who knows? All kinds of crazy stuff going on right now, but we're back. Market goes up, market goes down. Why you still use the old contract? I don't know, man. I don't. I'm gonna change it later, but right now I'm in a trade, so it don't matter. You know, it don't matter. All right, the volume is passing now, so I will switch over to September tomorrow or whenever it is. You can see right now in my Lucid funded accounts, we're up $3,000 times 5, and we're locked out for the day. We locked it out. We made money on that pop at open, and then we're getting it in now. So still got some more trades open here, but I already locked in those accounts, so we're done trading those. We just got a payout on Friday as well. So now we got to get back, make some more money, get more payout, get more money, make more payouts. Yeah, buddy. Got to see what's going to happen here now. Can we push through 30,100? How do you switch? I think you can go right here and go roll forward on Trade-Evate, right? You just click the little bar up top there. It's like a little wheel icon or whatever it is next to the H. So if you click view settings and just click roll forward, it'll roll forward. But I'm not gonna roll right now because I have a trade open here on these June contracts. And then tomorrow morning, I'm gonna switch over because everybody's gonna be asking a million questions. Patrick, why? Constantly just asking why. Why? How do you lock out? Up top, it says manual lockout. Click on it. Boom, you're done. Get out of here like this. Lock trading for all accounts. Do. Select time. Boom, you're done. Out. Peace. All right, well, getting close to 7 o'clock. Will we get this new hourly candle to push? Need a new hourly candle to push. What's up, Patrick? Hope you had a good weekend and good start to the day. You know, yeah, the spreads are bad on June. I know. You guys are right. I should have just switched to the Septembers, okay? Why is everyone like, I get it. I made a mistake. I can't go back in time now, you know? It's not my fault. Why y'all mad at me for? All right, new hourly candle, 7 o'clock. Will we push? The 5-minute chart right now just stuck. We did kind of hold, right? So The idea here is, can we push from here now? A little bit of trouble. Looks like we might pull back some more now. 2-minute chart kind of getting stuck there as well. We got the VWAP, these EMAs catching up. Big gap up here. We had Trump today. Trump, Iran, Trump, pump. Market only goes up. Daddy Trump, Iran, ran away. Eee, like that. The Trump pump is real. The Trump pump. Pumping the Trump. I'm in the BDH. This money we got rake. I buy 5 times and I sell and buy a Wraith. Damn, Barney got the wrap. Barney got the wrap in the chart, in the chat. Barney got the wrap going on. Why are we switching from June to September if June is not done yet? I guess it's just kind of how it goes. At a certain point, people start trading the future contracts. I mean, they don't really wait till like the day that the contract ends. Just once there's more volume on a certain contract, that's when it, switches over. So again, like I don't make the rules. I'm not a market maker. I have no real idea of why anything happens. I'm just a guy on YouTube who gets long, gets short sometimes, make a little bit of money sometimes, but sometimes lose money too. So there's that. Not always easy. Market is going sideways here after an insane pump at open. So I'm going to give it like 15 more minutes here. If not, I'm just going to walk away and we'll come back tomorrow morning for Mega Money Mondays. Right now, the market is kind of stuck going sideways here now. The spread's kind of like all over the place. Not like the market's like not really moving. So see, like we're not, it's like price is moving around a bunch on level 2, but like there's not like really any, there's not sales going through. You see that? Like it's not really like, the spread is huge right now. 3 or 4 points. That's not a good sign. Price is just kind of teleporting around right now. See, like the last price that was traded was 42. Last traded price 42 now. Still no more trades happening. They're just running around. No one's actually trading. Still has not been an order go through yet. All right, got a 44. Somebody bought a 44. Yeah, there's just like no volume here. So, no volume. Market just stuck. Sunday night, big pump. Not enough momentum to get it moved. APM volume comes in. Yeah, I'm not gonna wait around until 8 o'clock though. No thank you. Is SpaceX stock moving? No, not on a normal exchange. All right, another, like, look at that. They're all over the place here. 54 last sale. Now down to 40. Like there's just nobody buying and selling. 45 last sale. Crazy. You can see here like time and sales gets interesting. One contract traded. One contract traded. Tokyo says that he's focused on fundamental trading. Nice. Well, fundamentally, this market is fucked, so good luck with that. The fundamentals do not line up. Let me see. Yeah, there's like now like 400 more there, so. Well, as of right now, market is stuck, going nowhere. Pulling back here again. Could not push through those highs, so maybe more downside coming. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just walk away, get out of this bullshit. Got better things to be doing right now. I thought maybe we get more momentum, but market is just going nowhere quickly. Back down 30,000, 25, 26s. $15-minute candle back down there to the 20s again. Stuck going nowhere. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, help me out, blow it up. It's free to like, free to subscribe. We got a bunch of stuff going down this week here at the BDH, 9 a.m. live every morning. We got D-Money Show. We got the little Grand Slam Denny. He's going to be debuting on the channel this week. Denny's coming to Day Trade Live at the BDH. We'll see. Retesting that 30 level for now. If you look at the daily chart, big old gap up. There's really no wick, obviously, on the bottom of this candle. It'd be interesting to see tomorrow morning what happens. Do we continue the pump? The next pump area, 30,040, would be the daily high previously. So that is a decent sized gap. It'll be interesting to see if they're able to hold that gap before moving up, or vice versa. We could wake up tomorrow morning and this could be a big wick and we could be back down into this gap already. Two ways to look at it, right? Is this going to be like a bear flag forming, go do, and then the move down? Or do we V the fuck out of here? That's the $1 million question now. Is this going to be just a massive V as we move higher here in the markets, or vice versa? We're going to find out. PW, what are your thoughts on Javier during the mentorship? To be honest, I didn't have a lot of time to watch. I was in Mexico driving all day. I checked out a little bit. He seemed pretty cool. I didn't really have a lot of time to watch. Denny, not Danny. It's Denny, not Danny, okay? Denny. All right, we retested the 20s. That was kind of an area that we bounced off of earlier, right? That's been like bounce, stuck here. So the top of the range, the bottom of the range for now. If we get back below here, who knows how low we can go. 30,000, I would say, would be like a key level. The bulls, if they lose 30,000, there's not a lot of support to stop it from just waterfalling down there. You never know. The whole news, the whole pump this morning was based on, or this tonight was based on, you know, Iran, the Iran deal. So it don't take a lot to change that news. Is Denny gay? No, he's got a family. But, you know, you never know. Denny's in the chat. He said he's not gay. I mean, Denny, how do we know? You know, no one is, you know, you can say you're not gay, but I mean, we don't know. Oh, poor Denny. Exactly. That's what everybody says. Everyone says they're not gay until they are. See? His videos of him dancing say otherwise. I mean, that's true. That is true. He's not gay, his boyfriend's gay. That could also be true. All right, so the market is now just kind of stuck down here at the bottom of the range. Had a huge move up here today on the Iran news. Massive pump. All because Trump tweeted, which is just crazy. It's crazy to think. But, hey man. YOLO. Daddy Trump's tweeting, market's pumping. Market's pumping when Daddy Treat's tweeting. Daddy Trump's tweeting. Kind of just holding up here at this low right now. Like I said, if we start to lose these, you know, this support here at the 20s, then it's like 30,000, and then could be some good downside just to kind of get back into that gap fill some. You know, that's all. You never know. There's 20 getting tested. Will they bounce it again? This is like the fourth or fifth time they've tested this level now in the last 10 minutes. Please, the music, it's the problem. What's wrong with the music? You don't like my music? I know you're someone out there, free and far away. Your Indian quant is waiting to come to the BDH and showcase some stuff. Is this possible, PW? Please reply. Sounds like you want to kill me. My Indian quant. Oh man. How was your fishing with your son? Fishing was good. Landon got a trophy. Second place in the juniors. So we're stoked about that. Got my boy up on the stage getting his trophy. 13 years old. Second place junior angler. Pretty cool. It's cool for him to kind of see, you know, hey, this is what it feels like to win. You know? Put in the work. You put in the work, you get the reward. All right, NASDAQ is now dumping. How low can she go? The $1 million question. Down there to the 30,000s now. This is where they bounced it earlier, but like I said, through 30,000 here, I'd say the bulls are gonna be worried. Especially this low volume right now. No pump, and then it becomes a big dumpity dump. Big pumpity dump and a dumpity bump pump pump. They ran kind of like all those lows now. 5-minute chart has been red, red, red. So they ran these lows from earlier there now. So be interesting to see if they're going to just swipe that and then pop it right back up to kind of take out those lows there and then V it up. Or do we move down into here next? What do you think, chat? Up or down from here? Is this the bounce? Liquidity grab? The liquidity grab? It's kind of looking like it now. Liquidity. Everybody wants liquidity. The liquidity grab. Chop Chop City. $15-minute candle, kind of putting in that wick below everything now, below those candles, kind of holding that first big candle, the middle of it for now. Start trying to push back up, kind of build out this bull flag for more upside maybe. Later on for Asia, especially, I mean, once the Asia markets start popping, they're going to be excited about the whole Iran deal, right? So as the rest of the world starts waking up, seeing the Iran deal, it's done. It's done. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Nobody knows. I think it's a good time to walk away, though. Oh, look at it. Straight back down again. Straight back down, Lieutenant Dan. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Yeah, back down there. 30,300 again. Looks like trouble. Well, now I switch over contracts. Let me change these contracts here. In Q1. Yeah, 30,300. So we got some trouble. Kind of maybe buy the rumor, sell the news, you know what I mean? Kind of day, maybe. Buy the rumor, sell the news here. We'll see. Market's still just kind of grinding back down. So if you're just now tuning in, we got a nice little pop there at open. We locked in with our Lucid accounts, $15,000, and then we locked the account So that way we don't have to worry about trying to overtrade tomorrow or giving back profits. We'll take another nice little payout. We got a $10,000 payout there with Lucid on Friday. So Friday payout. Always nice to get paid on a Friday. There's that 30,300 level getting tested. Or 30,000 on the old contracts. I'd say now there's not really any reason to get long until, you know, this 5-minute chart cleans up and you basically get back above that trend line down here now. Let this, maybe it's going to dip lower before going higher, or just start putting in lower highs, basically. That's a big old gap there, right? Big old gap. Anything's possible. You would think that the rest of the markets, when they open up tonight, will be excited for the Iran news, but I feel like every day there's news about Iran, you know? B Watt, are you just watching or do you plan to trade, to take trades this session? B Watt, you missed out, bro. We traded the open. I literally showed the whole trade, the open. And right now, I'm just sitting back. Thanks for watching. Are we rolling over to the new contracts? Yes. Tomorrow morning, I'll be trading September contracts. It does look like the volume caught up on September now. September has more volume than on. So you see 11,600 contracts traded. 10,895 there on June. So yes, I'll be trading the NQU contracts tomorrow. Rigoberto Navarro, can you tell me happy birthday? It's my birthday. Hey, go fuck you, Rigo. Nah, just kidding. Happy birthday, you fucking cunt. Sure with 1 micro. No. No. I'll do whatever I want. I think it might be a long dongy. I'm gonna try a quick long here. If it pops up, I'm taking like a quick 10 points. And then I'm gonna walk away. If it sells off, well then I'll just blow the account. Fuck. 10 points, all I need, chat. Just 10 points. 10 points. Denny said, see you all in the morning. Can't wait. What can't you wait for, Denny? That seems pretty gay. Denny said he can't wait to see me in the morning. You just excited to see me, huh, Denny? You just want to see me. Well, you ain't gonna see nothing, Denny. Denny thinks he's just gonna come to BDH and take over. You gotta put some work in first, Denny. No free rides around here, buddy. I ain't paying you $1 million a year just to show up, okay? I'm not gonna be paying you $1 million a year, Denny, just to show up. You gotta put in some work. You gotta show me that you can actually get the job done. Right? We don't know yet. No one knows. Can Denny get the job done? We're not sure yet. We gotta find out. Right? There we go. That's 10 points, Denny. Denny. Yeah, I don't know. You know? I don't know. Buddy, that is how your studio looks like. I'm looking to copy that. Don't be copying my studio. Don't be copying my studio. Tomorrow, I think we're going to put Denny on a special lunchtime interview. I'm going to see what kind of, he's got to make me laugh at least. We're going to put, it's a trial period this week. Trial period on Denny, okay? He's got to put in some work this week. Oh my God, look at that pump right now. Damn it. Why did I not hold that long? That was a 30-pointer, 40-pointer. Denny said, don't I always make you laugh? Denny, don't tell people about how we spend time together. I don't know you, Denny. Denny, we don't spend time together. Don't. Denny said he is always making me laugh. Shh. Fucking Denny, man. He's gonna blow our cover. I don't want my girlfriend knowing that you make me laugh, Denny. All right, so we did get a little pushback up there. Those 5-minute candles kind of took out that low. Push back up here now. There we go. Tomorrow morning, we're doing it live at the BDH. We got D-Money, we got Denny. We got more stuff going on all week long. And then I'm back to California. California! Won't you take me away? California! California! Won't you take me away? Well, there it is, chat. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. And, yeah. It's been one. It's always... This market right now, it's crazy. And I say that every day because it just gets crazier. Oh, I don't even... I think the problem... I'm getting to the point now where I'm just becoming so cynical and, like, so skeptical that it's like hard to even believe it anymore. You know, like, oh, hey, the market just, it's always gonna go higher. It's never ever gonna pull back. It's just like, I think, I wish that I was more ignorant, right? Like, I wish that I was like, not as smart, to be honest. You know, like if I wasn't so smart, then I would just be like, eat crayons and just fucking buy TQQ all day. You know, like, being smart sometimes is not fun. It's hard. It's hard being this good looking and this smart. I'm plagued. It's a battle every day. It's a battle every day. Not only am I this good looking, but I'm just so fucking smart too. You know, it's a lot of pressure. A lot of pressure that I have to deal with. The whole entire world watching my live stream, waiting to find out. Is he long? Is he short? What's he gotta do? What contracts is he trading? It's a big problem that I have. It's a big problem. Right now, the NASDAQ back up there towards that VWAP for now. If you look at the bigger picture here on the daily chart, we did break out. Massive breakout there. I would feel like there'd be some kind of retracement into this area at some point. Problem is, at what point will that happen? We're gonna have to see. Someone said, bro, you're cursed. Why are you gonna say that? Why? Oh. Damned if I do, damned if I don't. You know, I can't win. I can't win. I just can't win anymore. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Kind of looks like another long opportunity. What do you think? One more 10-pointer? One more 10-pointer. All right, let's see. I need one more 10-pointer. Give me one more 10 points. One more. Come on, baby. You're not the only one cursed with knowledge. Hey, Ray the King, I guarantee I'm smarter than you. Don't act like don't even try to think that you're even anywhere close to what I am, okay? Don't you even dare think that. Don't you even dare. I went to a fishing tournament award ceremony today, and there's this guy. He's like 25. But there's this guy. He's always like talking shit on Instagram. You know, like always just like talking shit. So I saw him at the fishing award ceremony, and I walked over to him and I put him in a headlock, and I said, "What do you got to say now? What do you got? Come on, Mr. fucking funny guy. Say something. And he goes, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. He almost, I think he was gonna start crying. I literally had him in a headlock. And the best part is he was around all of his friends and other people, and they're all looking at me like, what the fuck's going on? And I'm literally just holding this kid's fucking head like this, and I'm like, say something now. Say something now. Didn't say shit. Didn't have nothing to say. Like, imagine, you know, if some guy came over and fucking put me in a headlock, we're gonna fight. You know, like, we gonna fight. No doubt about it, like, we are going to fight. So the fact that I literally went over, put this fucking dude in a headlock, grabbed his hair like this, and fucking looked at him and said, hey, what do you gotta say now, motherfucker? Didn't have anything to say. It's so weird because on Instagram, he's Mr. Billy Badass, but in real life, he got nothing to say. So I'm like, what happened? What happened? Why you got nothing to say now? You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Everyone, the funny thing is people think, you know, people see me like on the internet and they're like, this guy, he's just a fucking YouTuber, man. He don't. I want to tell y'all something. I'll tell y'all something real simple, right? I grew up in the country, right? I used to wrestle boars and alligators and ride horses and rope cattle, right? Do you think that I'd never been in a fight before? My two front teeth, they're fake, right? I got a big head, and I guarantee one thing: I've been punched in the face, I've been punched in the head, and I don't know what it is, but this skull is hard as a rock. I remember one time I got punched right, and someone punched me in the forehead one time, which I was like, what was that? Punched me in the forehead, and then the guy was like, oh, my hand. I'm looking at him like, you just punched me in the forehead, bro. The guy, like, I mean, to be honest, if you're gonna punch somebody, I wouldn't punch him in the forehead. Especially this big old forehead, you know what I mean? Like, you just asking for trouble. But yeah, we grew up in the country. You know, I used to fucking carry 100-pound fucking bundles of shingles up on the roof, 2-story ladder, my eyes closed, in the hot sun of Florida. You know? Don't even try to fuck with me, boy. I might look like a fancy pants, $200,000 watch driving a Rolls Royce, but don't you worry, boy. I know how to hog tie a motherfucker. I'll get you like this. Whip, whip. You won't even know what happened. Before you know it, you'll be laying there going, I'm hogtied. What in the fuck? Not only can I'm gonna fish hook you too. You ever really wanna, you really wanna fuck with somebody? Go, give him one of these. Just give him a fish hook. That's always a fun one. I gave a guy a fish hook. Yeah, you never seen somebody move so quickly. Ah! That shit hurts. But you gotta make sure that you go inside the teeth. Don't let them fucking bite you. You gotta get right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. That's the one. Oh my God. That will fuck you up. Don't get fish hooked. But if you're gonna do it, make sure you're on the outside. Outside the teeth. Risky to be bitten? Nah. That's what I said. You gotta on the outside. They can't bite you. They can't bite you. Maybe we'll have a BDH fight school. Come learn how to defend yourself from gay men like Denny. Poor Denny. He's not even at the BDH yet. He's already getting made fun of. Poor Denny. We're gonna teach a new school. I'm gonna have a BDH, how to defend yourself from gay men. What you should do. Are you a part of the BDH? Are you worried? Are you worried that a gay man might just come out of nowhere and try to make love to you? Don't you worry. I have a patented fighting system that'll take down any gay man. You don't have to be afraid anymore, chat. You don't have to be afraid anymore. I can help you. I can help you. Ginger, let's get the website set up. BDH self-defense. Do you have a very large cock? Are you worried that at any moment a man might jump out of the bushes and try to grab it? Are you worried that when you are in a public place? Do you worry that when you go out in public places that there might be a gay man waiting for you? Are you worried? Well, call me, BDH, 1-800-BDH, we protect the cock, and we'll make sure that you're ready to go for any situation. There will be no situation on earth that you can get yourself into that you won't be ready to defend yourself. We don't just teach hand-to-hand combat. We teach how to stop projectile missiles, drones, tummy sticks, and all long objects from coming anywhere near you. That's right. For the price of only $6.99, 42 cents, you too can become a master of the BDH. You too can know how to handle any situation. It doesn't matter how big, how small. We can turn you into a hot-blooded BDH member. That's right. There it is. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe button. We'll be here. If we can't make you a day trader, we're gonna make you into the baddest motherfucker on this planet. We're gonna make you the baddest motherfucker on this planet. And again, D-Money, what the fuck is this? D-Money got this shit. It's like hand sanitizer. Nosh. How do you even say that? D-Money likes the hand sanitizer that has hydrating infused with bergamot, sweet orange, citrus, cypress leaf, and vetiver essential oils. What in the fuck? Who is D-Money? Who is this guy? Who is D-Money? Why does he have this? He discovered it from Tradeify. I mean, that would make sense because I feel like Brett Simba would definitely, this would be some shit that Brett Simba would have. Infused with bergamot, sweet orange, cypress leaf, and vetiver essential oils. I don't know, man. If you're rubbing essential oils on your hands, you might be gay. You know, and I say that in the most polite way. But if you're a man and you're rubbing essential oils on your hands, you might need to look in the mirror and wonder and just look for a moment. Just look and be like, am I gay? Do I put the essential oils on my hands and then I become the gay. Look at these hands. I got calluses on there. Look at your hands. Got the calluses on there. I wear gloves while I'm driving, so they're not that rough right now, actually. I always got I don't even know. Not that rough right now. Actually, I'm embarrassed. I gotta go rough my hands up. Real quick. All right, so like we said, kind of doing what we talked about, right? If we get this 5-minute candle to kind of push up there and push, there's your kind of flag setup. It is obviously pushing right now, so I can't believe it. I cannot believe this market is just going higher and higher forever. This is why, you know why I like day trading? You know why I really like day trading, honestly, over like investing and everything else out there in the market, is when it comes to day trading, all I have to do is just trade what's in front of me. I don't have to like predict what the market's gonna do in the next 6 weeks. I don't have to think about it. It's just like trade what's in front of you, trade the open, get done, walk away, make money, and then leave. Whereas like swing trading and trying to invest and trying to pick the bottom, trying to pick the top, like it's exhausting, right? It's exhausting because all you're ever like, oh, you gotta like think, you're like, okay, I'm a genius. Okay, I think the market's gonna crash. You go short, the market only goes up, and then it goes down, and then you're up 50,000, and you're like, well, I want to get more, and then it goes back up, and you're like, oh my God, I'm gonna get out now, and it's like, oh, it's just a fuck fest. Honestly, you know. D-Money is the essential man. I mean, he likes that essential oils. He puts the lotion in the bag. That's true. That's true. That's true. Iran is coming to the BDH? What are you talking about? How gay are the gloves? The racing gloves? I mean, pretty common for, like, they're like fireproof. Oh, here he comes. D-Money, we gotta talk. D-Money, I don't know what's happening to you, but this guy, he gets a G-Wagon. He starts making all this money at the BDH, and then he's going soft on me. He's putting essential oils on his hands. No wonder all my shit on the desk got oily. Yeah, my mouse. Dude, look at my mouse. It's got oil all over it. Keyboard's got oil all over it. This guy just be lathering up essential oils. D-Money, we gotta get rid of these. We gotta get some coconut butter up in here. This essential oil stuff, it ain't it. That ain't it, D. Why do you only hire gay dudes? God damn it. Well, I mean, to be honest, it is called the Big Dick House. You know what I mean? So I don't know why anyone's surprised. I don't know why anyone is surprised. Make no mistake about it. People are like, wait, Patrick, why do you only hire gay dudes? I'm like, well, I mean, ooh, who is more gay? Demarius trades Brett Simba or AJ? I'm gonna have to go with Brett Simba 100%. He would be the gayest of those three. And then probably AJ, and then D-Money. So, you know, there it is. The natural listing, right? I mean, D-Money is definitely gay, but like he's not as gay as Brett Simba. Hey, and by the way, I also am gay, so don't be like, this guy's so insensitive to the gay community, okay? I like the gays. We support the studs. Look at that. Look, and now Denny's talking about rocket dildos. See? I told y'all. I knew this guy was gay. Now he's got rocket dildos in the chat. Denny, what you do in your personal time, we don't need to talk about at the BDH, okay? Keep that to yourself, my friend. Am I gonna watch the UFC tonight? Probably not, to be honest. Probably not. Maybe, I don't know. Did you caught the pop in the pop? Did you caught the pop and pop in here? The pop and pop? You want to know if I caught the pop and pop? The pop, but then the pop. Is that what you want to know? The guy in the chat, he just pops in here. He just pops in for a minute. Yeah, we caught the fucking pop, bro. We got the fucking pop, my friend. Don't you worry about me. Daddy got the pop. We made a nice and easy 15,000 trading our Lucid accounts today. Ooh, ooh. You know what I mean? Nice little $3,300 times 5 accounts. We'll take it. We'll take it. I've been doing pretty good in those Lucid accounts. I gotta stay focused. You know, if I just stay focused. The problem is, like, you guys always put me on tilt. The chat gets me on tilt, and then I do stupid stuff, right? And I'm not trying to make excuses, but it's always the same fucking thing every fucking time. You know, I get doing it, and then what happens? The chat puts me on tilt. They start asking stupid questions. They start saying mean things, and then I blow my account. But right now, we've got 5 days. We started this account on Tuesday of last week, right? Tuesday of last week. We took a $2,000 payout. We got the payouts there. So we got 2,000 on Tuesday, 3,000, 6,000, 4,000, and then 3,000 today. That's 5 Lucid accounts. These are the pro accounts. Yeah, the Lucid Pro accounts. So we got that done. We got the payout as well. So the payout hit the bank account. We're happy to see the money in the bank. So So yeah, there's the payouts. They were pending on Friday, but they're already approved. And it was actually in my bank account the same exact day. So I submitted the payout on Friday, and it was in my bank account same exact day. And then also shout out to Landon. Landon getting the trophy this weekend. Second place for my boy. Second place top junior angler, which is like 10 to 15. So he got it done. Love to see it. Congratulations to the boy. Trying to follow in his daddy's footsteps. It was kind of funny because like at the award ceremony, you know, they called out like, oh, second place. He's you know, comes from a competitive family. His dad was just in Baja racing. He's no you know, he's not, what do you call it? No stranger to being up on stage. And I'm like, oh, I always wonder. I'm like, is it, you know, how does Landon feel? Like it's got, I mean, not to like toot my own ego, but I feel like it's got to be a little overwhelming, maybe, you know, to be like, damn, you know, the bar is set so high. My dad does all this crazy stuff. He expects me to do all this crazy stuff. Like I'm taking him out to Mexico. We're going to Hawaii. We're going to Cali next this upcoming week. So he's gonna be with me all summer. So I don't know. It's got to be a little weird, especially because like whenever we go places, people always like talk about me or whatever. And it's kind of like, I don't know. I try not to always make it about myself, but it just somehow always turns into that. The polarizing figure that is the BDH. But right now, NASDAQ just kind of chop around, holding up here. We're holding above this 30,300 level. If we can get moving to the upside, 30,400 possibly next. So. Patrick, do you think the BDH name attracts gays? If not, I mean, I love the gays. I'm not homophobic at all, so. Yeah, no, I'm not. Someone says gay simply means happy. Surely Simba is the happiest because he's probably the richest. I don't know. I think, honestly, I think AJ is richer than Simba. I mean, obviously I'm the richest. But like if I was gonna say who makes more money, AJ or Simba, I would say AJ. Just because I think AJ has like less partners in you know, Lucid. I don't know. I mean, that's like total speculation. But yeah, it would be interesting to like actually know the numbers. What crazy stuff does your father? Does my father do? No, I surpassed everything my father did when I was like 19. I went, traveled the whole world, went and did it all. The crazy stuff I did that shit a long time ago. I remember watching you in like 2018. Nice work, sir. Well, shit, 2019. 2018. Yeah, no, I looked a little different back then. So right now the NASDAQ just kind of holding up here, stuck. I'm gonna get out of here. I already said that like 5 times, but as of right now, we're kind of just like sticking up here in the top of this range. 30,000, you know, 280 level, kind of a key level right now. We start to get back below that 280 level. Watch out for the downside because there is obviously that big gap to the downside. We got a lot of fun coming up this week here at the BDH. We got Denny. Denny's gonna be in town. We're putting him on the stream. He's going to be trying out to be the next BDH streamer. I told him day one, better get ready because I got the tape measure. And we got to measure. Got to make sure he can be admitted into the BDH first off. That's the first test. It's got to be at least 3 inches. And then after that, you know, he's got to be funny. We'll see. Can he be funny? We'll see. Patrick, wait for the Asia. I don't want to wait for Asia. I don't want to. Have you ever been in so much financial stress that you could not trade correctly because of it? I just went through it, somebody asked. I mean, Every day is financial stress for me, sir. Okay? Every day is financial stress. I live on, I'm on the verge of bankruptcy every day, okay? Trust me. I know what the financial stress feels like. Nobody can compete with D-Money. Oh shit, Robert. Is it gonna be a competition between D-Money and Denny now? Are people gonna ask for Denny more than they ask for D-Money? Now that is gonna be an interesting subject to find out. Will the chat want Denny or D-Money? We're gonna find out. The battle of the D's. Of the D's. I'll see you guys later on. If you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Peace to the Middle East. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna run away while I'm still green on the day right now in these accounts. So I'm gonna lock out of those accounts. We're gonna come back tomorrow morning. We're gonna hit it hard for Mega Money Monday. And then we got Denny popping up as well tomorrow. Make sure you're here midday. We're gonna interview We're gonna interview Denny. We're gonna find out more. Who in the fuck is Denny? And why does Denny think that he should get a job at the BDH? We're gonna find out. So make sure you're here tomorrow for all the fun that is the BDH. I'll talk to you guys later on. Have a good week. Good weekend. Have a good Sunday night. Enjoy the fights. We got the America 250 years celebration, UFC, all that fun. We'll be back tomorrow morning live all day long. We got D-Money coming in. We got Denny. We got P-Money. We got it all. We got it right here at the BDH, baby. Ain't nobody doing it like this. So if you haven't already, hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. We're doing it live. Live from the BDH.
Same great taste, but lower the price. Warbucks Instant Light. Now available.